Oliver and I are currently at Donner Memorial State Park. We are hiking one of the trails that are dog friendly, and we are right by the water, and it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. I'm pretty sure this is Donner Lake. He's sitting on my lap. He does not like sitting on the dirt road, I guess. It's so pretty here. Heading to our campsite. Just waiting 15 minutes. I accidentally put too much water in here, so we'll see. I did do the Japanese curry last time, and that one did need a little bit more water to rehydrate better. So hopefully the extra hot water will help it rehydrate, and I can drink it, I guess, if it's good. I'm excited to try this. So far, it's been a nice day here. Right at Donner Lake was so pretty. I really enjoyed a little hike to that area. I saw like people paddleboarding and stuff, and there were other people with their dogs, and that's like their dog beach here, because I believe the China Cove beach, if that's what it's called, that one is not dog friendly, so people have to go to like that one if they want to hang around the water. Oliver enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. We took a nap. It's been nice and relaxing. Okay, the food is ready. This is what it's looking like. It's a little wet, but that's okay. I'm hoping that means the rice is dehydrated really well. So let's get some rice and tofu. Yeah, it is a little bit too watery, but that's okay. The tofu tastes pretty good. The rice rehydrated better this time, I think, because of the extra water. So I think that was a good choice. Oliver got a little cold, so he wanted to go back into the car. Yeah, I really like it. I think the next Angkor Provisions ones I have is a bulgogi, I think. Next time I'm going car camping or something, I will try that. I finished eating it all. I'm all done. It is just some liquid now. It was really good. If you cannot handle spice at all, you shouldn't get this. It has 2 spicy peppers out of 3. Oh, I just saw that it says vegan on it, so obviously there is no meat. which is a nice choice if you're vegan or vegetarian. They have that option, which is nice. But we got cold, so he wanted to come inside. Feeling warmer? Do you want a blanket to cover you? Oh yeah, you want to go under the blankies. Okay, good night, Oliver. Good night. I am in my pajamas. I'm wearing base layers and then some sweatpants and also my down hoodie from Eddie Bauer, and then I also have all my blankets on top of me and Oliver to keep me warm, so we'll see how I stay warm tonight. I also put a blanket on top of the mattress and underneath me for some extra insulation, so I'm hoping that will help me keep me warm. And then I've been watching some movies. I unfortunately forgot my knitting vest with me, so I couldn't knit that. I watched Buffy the Vampire Slayer, the old one, the kind of bad acting. I might go drink some water and then go to use the bathroom one last time, and then I will go to sleep. So I will say good night. Good morning. It is 6:30ish a.m. I don't think I slept the best, but that's because my air mattress for some reason started deflating a little bit last night. I think when I went to go drink some water and use the bathroom one last time, I accidentally knocked one of the nozzles to pump the air and it released the air instead, and then it was 11 p.m. so I couldn't really turn on the car and inflate the bed again. My back kind of hurts. But I didn't get cold. Now it's cold outside, so it's getting cold. I'll have to get up and put everything away and then go home. Mr. Oliver, it's time to wake up. Oh, bummies, did you sleep okay? I hope you did too. My kitty baby. Okay, bummies, come on.